monkey like Tab and Mountain Dew. Road monkey like you. I love you, horse.
Listen up, people. This is Lady Dr. Doreen Masterson. She's here so we can show her that we're all right in the head. Because if we don't, we're what they call uninsurable. And we all gonna lose our jobs. So please, give her your respect and don't call her a dog-faced fraud to her face.
Why did you just use air quotes when they weren't even euphemisms?
Hey, Doc, if I need to lose Big Mouth over there, I'm all right with that. Now the doctor's ready to get to working. So everybody drop your drawers. I'm just kidding. I do all the physicals round here.
Oh, okay.
Well, as you can plainly see, everybody here's as normal as cow pie.
Hey, give me back my brown M&Ms, you little Korean bitch.
You never catch Benny!
Oh, my blood is showing. Like I said, normal as cow pie.
Benny down! I repeat, Benny is down! Daddy!